or etc. So the magnetic field due to finite straight current carrying wire. This is a straight current carrying wire, finite length. So the current is I. You know, according to Biot-Savart's law, according to Oersted, first, the current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around the conductor. The current carrying conductor produces magnetic field around the conductor. It produces magnetic field like this around the conductor. So here, this side there is a magnetic field and this side there is a magnetic field. So I want to find out the magnetic field produced by this current carrying conductor, magnitude of the magnetic field. So this is the point I have to consider. This is the point. The point B is at a distance R, A suppose. This is at a distance, perpendicular distance, A, from the current carrying conductor. See this end, from this end, I have to draw one line like this. This angle is what is it? Phi 1. This angle is phi 1. So now here, for this end, I draw one line onto this. It is a phi 2. This is a phi 2. This is angle. This angle is phi 1. This angle is phi 2. Here the magnetic field due to this one. The magnetic field. So now I consider that according to Biot-Savart's law, I have to consider one element in this current carrying conductor. I consider that one element. Here there is an element. Element I have to consider. This is the element. The length of the element is dl. dl is the length of the element. This is the element. The length of the element is dl. Right? So the length of the element is dl. And from that element, our point of consideration, I draw one line. So this element to our point of consideration, I have to draw one line like this. Yes. So this angle I called suppose theta. This is theta. And what is this? This is 90. And here the angle is 90 minus theta. This is a 90 minus theta. So the magnetic field at this point, due to this current carrying element, I called it dB. dB is the magnetic field due to this element. Due to this element, the distance is R suppose. This is R. Due to this current carrying element, the magnetic field is dB. So you know according to Biot-Savart's law, the vector form is dB bar is equal to, yesterday I taught about this, mu naught by 4 pi I dl bar cross R bar by what is that R cube. This is the vector form. But this is a vector form of that field. Scalar form dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sine theta. Sin theta means sin. What is that angle between the line joining the point and element? And the theta ante what is that? Sin 90 minus theta. ఈ యాంగిల్ తీసుకోవాలి. Angle between the line joining the point and element. 90 minus theta. Upon what is that? R square. This distance. So right, this is the magnetic field due to this current carrying element at this point. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So now this dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. I dl cos theta by r square. Cos theta by r square. Okay. So dl cos theta by r square. And what is this r? And what is that dl? dl ni ela find out chestam, r ni ee vidhanga find out chestam. So how to find out that r and how to find out that dl. And I want to find out the magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor, total current carrying conductor. So total current carrying conductor is B. B is equal to integral dB from what is that? ఇటేమో పాజిటివ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 5 రా ప్లస్ 5 ఇదేంటి నెగటివ్ కాబట్టి నెగటివ్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి -5 to 2 plus 5 this is -5 to 2 plus 5 and see that B is equal to this B is equal to integral -5 to 2 plus 5 what is that? Mu naught by 4 pi I dl cos theta by r square. Okay, so cos theta by r square, right? So now here cos theta is equal to what is it? ఇక్కడ cos theta is equal to ఈ triangle. ఈ triangle లో this is theta, this is a, this is r. Cos theta is equal to what is it? A by r. Cos theta is equal to a by r. So this ar is equal to what is it? A by cos theta. Okay, that is a by cos theta, right? A by cos theta. So now this length I called from here to here. This length I called what is it? L is there. ఈ length ni L అంటారు. This is L. అప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ tan theta is equal to what is that? What is tan theta? L by A. Tan theta is equal to L by A. Here tan theta is equal to L by A. So this is L is equal to what is it? L is equal to A tan theta. This is L is equal to A tan theta, right? So L is equal to A tan theta, and I want to find out that dl. How to find out dl? dl is equal to differentiation of tan. Differentiation of tan is equal to what is that? L is equal to A tan theta. L is equal to A tan theta. So this is d by d theta of L rasana. D by d theta of L. So d by d theta of L means d by d theta of A tan theta. So d by d theta of A tan theta means A, what is it? Secant square theta. A tan theta means d by d theta of tan theta is secant square theta. This is dl by d theta, right? dl by d theta. So from this here, what is this? dl is equal to A secant square theta d theta. This is a DL. I got DL here. A secant square theta d theta. Yes. So that I got a DL is equal to A secant square theta d theta. Now here there is, see that. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. This is integral mu naught by 4 pi integral minus phi 2 2 plus phi 1. So I dl is equal to A secant square theta d theta dl, and it is cos theta upon r square. R is equal to what is it? A by cos theta here. So A by cos theta means this is A square by cos square theta. A square by cos square. So this square and A is cancelled here. Square and A is cancelled. So cancel అయిపోతే ఇప్పుడు మీకు మిగిలింది ఏంట్రా? This is mu naught by 4 pi integral minus phi 2 to phi 1. So I secant square theta by secant square theta d theta into cos theta by A. This is cos square theta. Cos square theta. See here, cos square theta and secant square theta is cancelled. Cos square theta and secant square theta is cancelled. So cancel everything. Here, what is that? Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A also out. I by A integral minus phi 2 2 plus phi 1. So this is cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. That I got. And see here, this is the magnetic field. B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A. So cos theta integration is minus sin theta. Okay. Sorry, integration is cos theta, integration is sin theta. Kada? Cos theta integration of cos theta is sin theta. Okay. So integration of cos theta is sin theta. So this is sin theta. What is that? Minus phi 2 2 phi 1 is that. So this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A. First upper limit to sin phi 1 minus lower limit is sin minus phi 2. Sin minus phi 2 is minus sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A into sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. This is the magnetic field due to, what is that? Magnetic field due to finite straight conductor, straight current carrying conductor. This is the magnetic field. So the magnetic field is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. What is it? I by A into sin phi 1 minus sin phi 2. Sin phi 1 minus sin phi 2. So this is the magnetic field. So this is the phi 1 and it is a phi 2. Angle is there. Okay. So Radam, see that. So here I want to find out the magnetic field due to a straight finite conductor carrying current. So because this it is a perpendicular distance r, and this end from this end our point of consideration, one line is drawn. One line draw chesanu. So line draw chesi ee angle phi 1 annanu, ee end nunchi dini phi 2 annanu. Now I consider that one element. So element of length is real. So it is at a distance L, and one line is drawn here. This angle is theta. This is 90 minus theta. So according to Biot-Savart's law, so this is according to Biot-Savart's law. According to Biot-Savart's law. According to Biot-Savart's law. So what is it? Vector form is that one, and scalar form is this one. That is dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal sine this angle 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta by what is the distance r square. So 90 minus theta is cos theta. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal cos theta by r square. So now I want to find out that b ని find out చేయాలంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి -522 plus 51 dB. So b is equal to -522 plus 51 dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal cos theta by r square. So this triangle, nunchi cos theta is equal to a by r is equal to a by cos theta. And from the same triangle nunchi, what is it? Tan theta is equal to L by a. Okay, so tan theta is equal to L by a. See that tan theta is equal to L by a, and it is differentiated with respect to theta. D by d theta of L is equal to d by d theta of a tan theta, a into tan theta. So now this dl by d theta is equal to a secant square theta, dl is equal to a secant square theta d theta. So substitute there, b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi minus 52251 I a sin a secant square theta d theta into cos theta by r square, means a square by cos square theta. So that is a square and a is cancel. Mu naught by 4 pi minus 52251 I secant square theta d theta into cos theta. So the cos square theta is up, cos square theta and secant square theta is cancelled. Now b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by a minus 52251 cos theta d theta. b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by a sin theta minus 52251 cos theta d theta is sin theta integration. So substitute the upper limit and the lower limit, and finally we got that so b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by a sin 51 plus sin 52 we got. Okay, అర్థమైందిరా? Yes
sir.
Okay. Completed. Oh, छोटा. Suppose this is the current carrying conductor. The current I is equal to 2 amperes, and it is at a distance r a is equal to 10 meters. And this angle is 30 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. So find the magnetic field at B. B the magnetic field. Magnetic field at B. And you see that this B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. So mu naught by 4 pi is 10 power minus 7 I. So I is equal to, what is it, 2 amperes. Distance is 10, and this is sine 30 plus sine 60. So it is 2 into 10 power minus 8. 2 by 10, na? 2 by 10, 10 is taken up, 2 into 10 power minus 8. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is 2 into 10 power minus 8 by 2, root 3 plus 1. So this is cancelled. Root 3 plus 1 into 10 power minus 8. Tesla. That is Tesla. Magnetic field unit is a Tesla. So root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla. So this is 2.732 into 10 power minus 8 Tesla. This is the magnetic field at the point. A point the magnetic field. Yeah. See. Next one. Suppose here, next one, there is a finite conductor carrying current, that is I. Exactly midpoint is at a distance A. This is midpoint, means the total length of the conductor is L. Total length of the conductor is L. Exactly midpoint means this length is L by 2. And this length is L by 2. Length is L by 2. So exactly midpoint means this angle is phi 1 and this angle is phi 2. This is phi 1, this is phi 2. It is exactly at the midpoint, means phi 1 is equal to phi, phi 2 also equal to phi. Angle same angle. So phi 1 is equal to phi, phi 2 is equal to phi. And the magnetic field at this point, you point the magnetic field. And B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. Sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is sine phi plus sine phi. Sine phi plus sine phi. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A into 2 sine phi. This is 2 sine phi. So this is the magnetic field exactly at the midpoint of the straight conductor. The point is, our point of consideration is at a distance A, exactly perpendicular distance A, exactly from the midpoint of the conductor. So now here sine phi is equal to what is it? And this is L by 2, this is A. And what is this? This is root over A square plus L square by 4. Right? L by 2 whole square. So sine phi is equal to what is it? Sine phi is equal to L by 2 by root over. So L by 2 by, this is perpendicular, this is 90 degrees. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse means root over A square by L square by 4. So means this is L by 2 by root over, this is 4A square plus L square out of the root, it is 2. This 2 cancel. So now this sine phi is equal to L by root over 4a square plus L square. That is sine phi. So now the magnetic field is there. So what is the magnetic field? B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A. This is I by A. 2 sine phi. 2 sine phi means 2L by root over 4a square plus L square. This is the magnitude of the magnetic field. Okay, direction ante current ela veltundi kada. So according to right hand thumb rule, the direction is at this point is direction is into the plane of the board. Ila tippali kada. Ila tippetappudu here this side is into the plane of the board, this side is out of the plane of the board. It side kabatti ee point it side undi kabatti it is into the plane of the board, inwards. So the direction of the magnetic field is inwards. Right? Suppose here the magnetic field finite conductor is there. For the finite conductor, the magnetic field is exactly at one end of the conductor, at a distance a from the one end of the conductor. What is the magnetic field from one end of the conductor? Ante chudu. So from one end of the conductor. Ante so this is a straight conductor carrying current of length L. This is the length L. So I want to find out the magnetic field at this point, perpendicular distance A, exactly at one end of the conductor. So this is our point of consideration. So this is our point of consideration here. This is phi 1 is equal to 5 and phi 2 is equal to 0. Angle phi 2 is equal to 0. So phi 2 is equal to 0. Now this B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. Sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is sine theta, sine phi plus 0. This is sine phi only. Sine phi plus 0 is sine phi. So the magnetic field is direction is inwards. This is inwards. There is a magnetic field. And see here, there is a sine phi is equal to what is that? Sine theta is equal to L by. So this is root over L square plus A square is there. So sine phi is equal to L by root over L square plus A square. So the magnetic field is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Magnetic field B is equal to. So mu naught by 4 pi. Here I by A. This is I by A. Sine phi is equal to what is that? L by root over L square plus A square. So L by root over L square plus A square. So this is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field and the direction is inwards. Right? Direction is inwards. Okay. X means inwards. X ante inwards. Inwards. Dot pedite outwards. Dot pedite outwards. Okay. So now Suppose here there is a square loop. This is the square loop of side A. Side A. So the current is passing like this. This is the direction of the current. Current is circulating in the loop. 11th current. So find the magnetic field. Find B at the center of square. Find the magnetic field at center of the square. Center means, see, there is a diagonals. So the point of intersection of the diagonals. At this place, I want to find out the magnetic field. Magnetic field find out. See, this you consider that, suppose this is A, B, C, and D. This square is the combination of 4 current carrying conductors of length A. This is one current carrying conductor. This is the first current carrying conductor. This is the second current carrying conductor. This is the third current carrying conductor. This is the fourth current carrying conductor. Yeah, fourth current carrying conductor. See, this current carrying conductor, first current carrying conductor, I have to consider. For the first current carrying conductor, this is our point of consideration, and the distance exactly from this center. So what is the distance? It is A by 2. That's the distance is A by 2. And this angle is what is that? Total angle. Total angle is 360. 360 by how many is there? 4 is there. 360 by 4. 360 by 4 is 90. 90. Here 2 parts is there. Exactly 2 parts. It is exactly midpoint. This is 45 and this is 45. Right? 45 and 45. So due to this one, due to this current carrying conductor, B1 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by, distance is not A, distance is, what is that? A by 2. From this point to center, distance is not A, it is A by 2. A by 2. Distance is A by 2. This is sine 45 plus sine 45. 2 sine 45. Sine 45 plus sine 45. 2 sine 45. So now this is what is it? Mu naught by 4 pi. So this is 2I by A into 2 sine 45 is 1 by A. So this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. It is 2I by A into root. So that B1 is equal to 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2 mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is the magnetic field due to, what is that first? What is the direction? Direction find out. So this is the current carrying conductor. Our point of consideration is here, and this is the current carrying conductor, or this is the direction of the current. Our point of consideration is here. I want to hold according to right hand thumb rule. So at our point of consideration, my fingers are to hold that conductor. My fingers are how to come? Outward and inward. Now point of consideration degra. Now finger set of out. Out. So out means this is the direction of the magnet. Direction of the magnet. మరి చూద్దాం. సో దీనికి తీసుకుంటే సెకండ్. సో మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ కూడా వాట్ ఇస్ ఇట్? దిస్ ఈజ్ A by 2 and it is 45. This is 45. So this B2 also equal to B1. Avuna? B2 also equal to B1. Same. And the direction also, see that What is the direction? Direction also out. Direction kuda. What is the direction? Direction also itwaipu kada. Itwaipu kabatti direction also what is that? Out. Direction is out. See, this is also, if you consider this one. So conductor third, it is also the same thing here. This is A by 2 and it is a 45. This one is a 45 and this B3 is equal to B1 and the direction is out. Right? B3 is equal to B1, direction is out. And now this consider here fourth, it is a 45. It is also 45 and the direction is out only because the current is coming like this. This is out. So B4 is equal to B1, direction is out. So here I came to know the magnetic field at this point due to this conductor, due to this conductor, due to this conductor, due to this conductor, direction is the same and the magnitude is same. So her net magnetic field at the center is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. Same direction is there. So this is equal to 4B1. Okay. So because B1 is equal to B2 is equal to B3 is equal to B4, 4B1. Okay, 4B1. So this is 4B1. B1 is equal to what is that? 2 root 2 mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is equal to 8 root 2 mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is the magnetic field, net magnetic field. So net magnetic field is this one. B net is equal to this one, and the direction is what is that? Out. Direction is out. చూడండి డైరెక్షన్ ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఇది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సిడరేషన్, ఇది నా ఫింగర్స్ బయట కోసం అవుట్, ఇది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సిడరేషన్, ఇది నా ఫింగర్స్ ఇటువైపు, ఇటువైపు పెన్నికి ఇటువైపు బయట కోసం, ఇది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సిడరేషన్, ఇది నా ఫింగర్స్ పెన్ కింద ఇటు వస్తుంది బయటకు వస్తుంది, పెన్ కింద ఉంది కదా పాయింట్, ఇటు వస్తుంది బయటకు వస్తుంది, ఇది సో డైరెక్షన్ ఇది ఇటువైపు పెన్నికి ఇటువైపు, సో ఇటు వస్తుంది ఫింగర్స్ బయటకు వస్తుంది, అంటే అన్ని కూడా డైరెక్షన్ ఇస్ అన్ని కూడా వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ అవుట్ వాడే, అంతేనా? అర్థమైందిరా? సో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇస్ అవుట్ వార్డ్, B1 B2 B3 అవుట్ వార్డ్, రైట్? సో అన్ని సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉంది, సేమ్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఏంట్రా 2 root 2 కాదా? 2 root 2 అంతే కదా? 2 root 2, this is 2 sin 45, ఇక్కడ 2i by a, సో ఇక్కడ root 2, 2 root 2, ఇక్కడ 4 into root 2, 2 root 2, 8 root 2 కదా? ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తావా? రైట్, అది ఎందుకు క్యాన్సిల్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే మనకి μ0/4π వాల్యూ తెలుసు కదా అని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. μ0/4π వాల్యూ తెలుసు కదా అని, అంటే μ0/4π వాల్యూ అయితే ఈజీగా తెలుసు కదా 10⁻⁻7 అని, అందుకని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. See, so next one, మీరు చేయండి రా, ఒక 2 minutes టైం ఇస్తాను, మీరు చేయండి, 2-3 minutes టైం ఇస్తాను, మీరు చేయండి ఫస్ట్. సో you find that magnetic field at the center, this is A, B, C, this is the direction of the current I, So find the magnetic field at the centroid equilateral triangle. So end of 2 minutes time is contained. See, yes. So this is the centroid, means this is you have to consider 11 day. So put angle antara, this total is 360 here. This total is 360. 360 by 3. 360 by 3 is 120. So 120 annappudu exactly midpoint digga from this exactly midpoint. So is 120 kabatti this is 60. This is 60. Antega? So first, due to this one, it is one current carrying conductor. The magnetic field is B1. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ కావాలి. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఇది a by 2 కదా? This is a by 2. ఇది x అనుకో. X అనుకుంటే how to get this x? This is exactly 30 degrees. ఇది 30 degrees. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే so tan 30 is equal to what is that? X by a by 2. Tan 30 is equal to x by 8. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 2x by a. So this x is equal to a by 2 root 3. X is equal to a by 2 root 3. Correct? There are x by a by 2. So tan 30 is equal to x by a by 2. So that is tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 2x by a, x is equal to a by 2. So ఇది వచ్చేసింది మనకి. ఇప్పుడు magnetic field B1 is equal to what is it? So B1 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by e distance I by. So this distance is equal to what is it? A by 2 root 3. So this is a by 2 root 3 and this is sin 60 plus sin 60. What is it? 2 sin 60. 2 sin 60. Yeah, this is B1 is equal to. So this is mu naught by 2 root 3 pi తీసుకెళ్ళిపోదాం. So 2 root 3 pi తీసుకెళ్తే 2 root 3 mu naught by 4 pi I by a. This is a 2 sin 60. 2 sin 60 means root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. So root 3 and root 3. 3 into 2. 6 into mu naught by 4 pi I by a is B1. B1 is equal to this one. But what is the direction of B1? What is the direction of B1? The direction of B1 is direction of B1. చూద్దాం. సో డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ B1 అంటే ఒకసారి చూడు. కరెంట్ ఎలా వెళ్తుంది? ఇక్కడ ఈ పెన్ కి మన పాయింట్ ఎటు ఉంది? పైన ఉంది. పైన ఉందంటే పట్టుకోవాలంటే దీన్ని పట్టుకోవాలంటే ఈ పెన్నుకి మన పాయింట్ దీన్ని పట్టుకోవాలంటే నా ఫింగర్స్ ఎటు వెళ్తున్నాయిరా ఇన్వర్డ్. పెన్ను కింద అయితే అవుట్వర్డ్, నా ఫింగర్స్ ఎటు వెళ్తున్నాయి ఇన్వర్డ్ కాబట్టి సో ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్డ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్వర్డ్. యా, see for this one it is this is 60 degrees, it is 60 degrees, this is x only, so the b2 is equal to b1 only. And what is the direction? ఇది పెన్ను, ఈ డైరెక్షన్ ఇటువైపు ఉందంటే నేను ఎలా పట్టుకోవాలి, ఇలా పట్టుకునేటప్పుడు నా ఫింగర్స్ సెట్ వెళ్తాయి లోనికి వెళ్తాయి, సో లోనికి వెళ్తాయి కాబట్టి సో దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్డ్. The direction is inward. Here for this is x and here 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, so b3 is equal to b1 only. And what is the direction? Direction is ఇది కిందకి వస్తుంది, నేను ఇలా పట్టుకోవాలంటే ఆ పాయింట్ దగ్గర నా ఫింగర్స్ వెళ్తాయి లోనికి వెళ్తాయి కాబట్టి డైరెక్షన్ is inwards. And three magnitudes are same and the direction is the same. Three magnitudes are same, b1 b2 b3 magnitudes are same and the direction is same. Magnitudes are same and direction is same. So what is the net magnetic field? B net is equal to b1 plus b2 plus b3. So this is equal to 3b1. So 3b1 is equal to what is that? 6 into mu naught by 4 pi I by a. So this is equal to 18 into mu naught by 4 pi I by a is b net. B net is equal to this one and the direction is inwards. Yeah, direction is inwards. Right? Okay then. So next, so regular hexagon. Like this. So regular hexagon. So find the magnetic field at the center of the regular hexagon. Center of regular hexagon. Okay, center of the regular hexagon at this point. So this is A, 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 and this is C. All are A. See, it is an equilateral triangle. So regular hexagon means 6, 360 by 6. 360 by 6 means how much? 60. So 60 means here, if you consider one point here, this is, what is it? 30 degrees, and it is 30 degrees. This is I. Due to this one, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. So this is I, I, and I. So it is A by 2. And what is this? This is equal to how much? A by 2. What is this distance? And this is 60 degrees here. So this is x, suppose. Tan 60 is equal to x by A by 2. Tan 60 is 1 by root 3 is equal to x 2x by A. So this x is equal to A by 2 root 3. And then same error. We would x is equal to A by 2 root 3 na? Or no? Sorry, this is tan 60 is root 3 kada? This is root 3. X is equal to root 3 A by 2. Is it correct now? And there x is equal to root 3 A by 2 kada? Yes. X is equal to root 3 A by 2. But B1 is equal to what is it? Mu naught by 4 pi. I by root 3 A by 2. This is 2 sine 30. 2 sine 30. So sine 30 and 2 is cancelled. 2 into mu naught by 4 pi. 2 by root 3 into mu naught by 4 pi. I by A. This is B1. And what is the direction? Direction is out. Direction is out. So then you got the same under the direction is out, 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 out. So here B1 is equal to B, B2 is equal to B1. This is out. B3 is equal to B1. This is out. B4 is equal to B1. This is out. B5 is equal to B1. This is out. B6 is equal to B1. This is out. So the total magnetic field, net magnetic field. So net magnetic field is equal to 6B1. So 6B1 means 12 by root 3 mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is out. Okay? 12 by root 3. 12 by root 3 means 4 root 3. 12 by root 3 is nothing but 4 root 3 mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is out. This is net. Correct na? చేసారా ఇదే కదా? Okay. See, so next, so the magnetic field at a distance A, at a perpendicular distance A from an infinite straight current carrying wire. The magnetic field at a perpendicular distance from an infinite straight current carrying wire. You see, this is the infinite current carrying wire. Infinite. So two ends infinite is there. It is not finite, but it is a current carrying wire. I. So the magnetic field at a perpendicular distance again at this point. What is the magnetic field? Due to this infinite straight current carrying wire. So this is the point. Because of infinite, phi 1 is equal to 90 degrees. And here also infinite, phi 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Phi 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Two ends are infinite. Phi 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Phi 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So the magnetic field is there. B is equal to, at this point, mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is sine 90 plus sine 90. 2 sine 90. 2 sine 90. So this is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2I by A. This is mu naught by 4 pi 2I by A. So 2I. This is sine 90 na? Sine 90 is 1. This is 2I by A. So this is an infinite straight current carrying conductor. The magnetic field at a distance, perpendicular distance A. B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2I by A. Right? So mu naught by 4 pi 2I by A. And see, there is magnetic field at a perpendicular distance A from an semi-infinite wire. Semi-infinite current carrying wire from one end. And then, so this is one end is infinite. one end is infinite. So exactly this end, from this end, there is at a distance A, what is the magnetic field? At a distance A, what is the magnetic field? So means phi 1 is equal to 90 degrees, but phi 2 is equal to 0. Phi 2 is equal to 0. Phi 1 is equal to 90 degrees, phi 2 is equal to 0. So phi 2 is equal to 0. B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A into sine 90. Sine 90 is equal to 1. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi, or is it I by A? This is a magnetic field due to semi-infinite wire. Right? Okay. Right on. This completed. Okay. So next, suppose here it is given like this. Continue. So this is the wire. Infinite and semi-infinite and so this is the current. And exactly this point, this is the point, is at a distance of R. What is the magnetic field? So you point the wire and you point the what is the magnetic field? So what is the magnetic field due to this one? ఏంట్రా ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఈ వైర్ వలన మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ జీరో. yes, పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ అయితే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటుందా? ఈ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ కాదు కాబట్టి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఈస్ జీరో. అంటే so one straight conductor is passes through our point of consideration, the magnetic field at this point due to straight conductor is zero. Okay, due to magnetic field is zero. So now see, find B due to wire. Find B due to wire. అంటే ఇలా ఇచ్చాడు this ఇక్కడ చూడు. So this is our point of consideration. Here P is there. P is there. So now, so this angle is there, and here there is, if you draw this one, is at your distance A. So this angle is 30, this angle is 60, and this is the current I is there. Current I is there. Okay. So what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field is equal to what is it? Magnetic field is equal to what is it? ఎలా ఫైండ్ వచ్చారు ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ స్ట్రైట్ కండక్టర్ క్యారింగ్ కరెంట్ మన ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఫార్ములా ఈస్ this angle direction is phi 1 is like this, the direction of angle is phi 2 must be these two are in opposite direction. ఈ రెండు ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉండాలి, ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి కదా నువ్వు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి దిస్ ఈజ్ 60, దిస్ ఈజ్ 30, రెండు సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఇక్కడ B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A into sin 60 plus sin 30 is the wrong. This is not correct. This is wrong. The inward value is wrong. This is wrong. మరి ఏం చేయాలి? సో phi 1 is okay. Phi 1 is equal to 60 okay. Phi 2 అంటే యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి see that. ఇది కదా మనది పాయింట్, ఇది కదా ఈ లైన్ కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ లైన్ కి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాంగిల్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ you consider the angle is like this. This is the angle. Opposite direction means this is the angle. So these two compulsory opposite direction. So this is the angle. Total is 360. 360 lo ee angle ఎంత 30. So this angle is phi 2 is equal to, so phi 2 is equal to 360 minus 30, that is equal to 330 degrees, right? So that is 330 degrees. Okay, so 330 degrees. Now here sin 60 ఇప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? sin 60 mu naught I by mu naught by 4 pi I by A sin 60 plus sin 330, sin 330 you have to consider. So sin 330 means 360 minus 30. Sin 360 minus 30 is minus sin 30. అంటే ఇక్కడ B is equal to what is it? Mu naught by 4 pi I by A. This is sin 60 minus sin 60 minus sin 30. Sin 60 minus sin 30. Okay. ఇప్పుడు I ని కనుక్కోవాలి, I ని కనుక్కోవాలి, సారీ A ని కనుక్కోవాలి. A ఎలా కనుక్కుంటాం? How to find out the T? How to find out the T? A ని ఏ విధంగా find out చేస్తాం అంటే చూడు. So how to find out A? So this is given D. It is given D. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకున్నాం, this is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ అడగలా, ఇదే ఇస్తాడు, డిఏ ఇస్తాడు. ఇది మనం తీసుకున్నాం, ఏ అనేది జస్ట్ మనం తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ నీకు తెలుసు కదా, ఇక్కడ ఒక హ్యాండిల్ నుంచి అయితే నీకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి, సో ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు వాడు. సో ఏ మనం తీసుకున్నాం, ఏని ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డిలో రాయాలి. డిలో రాయాలంటే టేక్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్, ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకో. సో ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే, సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 90 degrees, ఇక్కడ 90 degrees. 90 degrees అయితే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? నాకు ఏ కావాలి. ఏ కావాలి అంటే cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to this by D. A by D. Cos 30 is equal to what is it? Root 3 by 2. This is A by D. And this A is equal to what is it? Root 3 D by 2. Root 3 D by 2. A is equal to. So A is equal to root 3 D by 2. Now here the magnetic field due to that one. The magnetic field. So B is equal to what is it? Mu naught by 4 pi. I by A is equal to what is it? Root 3 D by 2 into sine 60 minus sine 30. Sine 60 minus sine 30. This is equal to 2 by root 3 mu naught by 4 pi I by D mu naught by 4 pi I by D. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 minus sine 30 is 1 by 2. Right? So this is equal to 2 by root 3 mu naught by 4 pi I by D. This is root 3 minus 1 by 2. This is cancelled. So this B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by D root 3 minus 1 by root. This is the mark. Into. Current laga into. ఏం లేదురా ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు అసలు జస్ట్ యాంగిల్ ఈ ఫార్ములాలో యాంగిల్ ఏంటంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాలో ఇది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉండాలి ఇది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉండాలి ఈ డైరెక్షన్ యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి దీని నుంచి 5-1 అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద డైరెక్షన్ 5-2 అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద డైరెక్షన్ కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు మనకి లైన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఉందంటే యాంగిల్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఇది ఇటే ఉంది ఇది ఇటే ఉన్నట్టేగా రెండు సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉన్నట్టేగా సో ఇది 60 ఓకే ఆ డైరెక్షన్ కానీ మనకి దీని నుంచి ఈ లైన్ నుంచి దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాంగిల్ కావాలి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాంగిల్ కావాలి కాబట్టి ఇది 30 అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాంగిల్ ఎంత అవుతుందా 360 మైనస్ 30 330 అదే పెట్టాను 330 అంటే సైన్ 360 మైనస్ 30 కాకపోతే సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ కాస్త ఇదేమవుతుంది మైనస్ సైన్ అంతే రైట్ ఓకే రా సో వాల్యూస్ తీసుకున్నాం yes ఇప్పుడు చూడండి suppose if I consider semi-infinite infinite wire, semi-infinite wire is there. This is a semi-infinite wire, semi-infinite wire, and at this end there is at a distance t. At this point, so what is the magnetic field? What is the magnetic field at this point? So a point is the magnetic field. What is the magnetic field at that point? Semi-infinite, right? Semi-infinite wire. What is the magnetic field? అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడ, సో దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్. ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర కదా, మరి ఈ వైర్ కి, ఈ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసిన వైర్ కి మనం తీసుకునే డిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి. ఈ వైర్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి. సో వైర్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ వైర్. వైర్ కి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి. సో వైర్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్. See, here it is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And here it is the 90 degrees. Forty-five, 45, 45, 45, 45. So this distance is from here to here. This distance is perpendicular distance. It is A. Perpendicular distance A. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ ఎండ్ కి ఇది కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ ఎండ్ కి ఇది ఒక ఎండ్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్. అంటే ఎలా తీసుకుంటావు? ఇలా తీసుకుంటావు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద డైరెక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? 5 1 is equal to how much? 90 degrees, because infinite. Infinite. ఈ ఎండ్ కి. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటి? ఈ ఎండ్, దిస్ ఎండ్. దిస్ ఎండ్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఎంత ఉంది? 45 ఉంది. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో 45. కానీ రెండు సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ తీసుకోకూడదుగా మనం. ఫస్ట్ 5 1 is సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ 90. ఇది ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో తీసుకోకూడదుగా 45. 45 ఇక్కడ నుంచి దీనికి ఈ ఎండ్ కి 45, బట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్. అంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? ఈ ఎండ్ నుంచి కమ్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇలా రావాలి. ఈ ఎండ్ నుంచి అపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో రావాలి. కమ్ లైక్ దిస్, ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో రావాలి. సో ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో వస్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ద 5 2? 5 2 is equal to ఏమైందిరా? 5 2 is equal to what is that? 360 minus 45. This is equal to 350. అయిపోయింది కదా, అది తెలిస్తే చాలు. సో ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దీన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అంటే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ 90. దిస్ ఈస్ d. దిస్ ఈస్ what is it? This is cos 45 is equal to, cos 45 is equal to what is it? A by d. A by d. cos 45 means 1 by root 2 is equal to a by d. Now this a is equal to d by root. If I go chase a is equal to d by root. So a is equal to d by root to find out చేసిన తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మనకి magnetic field at this point. So this is the point, the magnetic field at this point. So ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర magnetic field. So ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర magnetic field అంటే B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A sin 90 plus sin 315. Sin 90 plus sin 315. And this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by A is equal to what is that? D by root 2. It is a D by root 2. This is sin 90 plus sin, what is that? 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. So this is root 2 mu naught by 4 pi I by D. This is sin 90 minus sin 45. So this is equal to root 2 mu naught by 4 pi I by D. This sin 90 is 1. It is 1 by 2. So this is equal to root 2 into mu naught by 4 pi I by D. This is root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 is cancelled. So now this B is equal to, what is it? Mu naught by 4 pi I by D into root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. నువ్వు జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడైనా సరే ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అరే ఇలా ఇస్తే ప్రాబ్లం లేదురా నీకు, ఇలా ఇచ్చి ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సో నువ్వు ఆడ ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చినా ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక ఎండ్ ఇటు ఉంటుంది, ఇంకొక ఎండ్ ఇటు ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇటు యాంగిల్ ఆడ ఎంత ఇచ్చినా నువ్వు ఎలా మెజర్ చేస్తావు, 45 ఇచ్చినా ఇలానే మెజర్ చేస్తావు, ఆడ ఎంత ఇచ్చినా ఇటే మెజర్ చేస్తావు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇట్లానే మెజర్ చేస్తావు, అది ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. సో ఇలా ఇచ్చి సపోజ్ ఏదో ఒక పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు ఇందాక, లేదా ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఈసారి ఇటు ఇచ్చాడు పాయింట్ అనుకుందాం మనం, పాయింట్ ఇటు ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ పాయింట్, ఇక్కడ కనుక పాయింట్ ఇస్తే నీకు ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్లా, ఇక్కడ కనుక పాయింట్ ఇస్తే ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్లా. ఓకే, సో ఈ మధ్యలో కాకుండా ఇటు ఇచ్చినప్పుడే ప్రాబ్లం మీకు పాయింట్, ఈ వైరు ఇటు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్లా, ఇటు ఇచ్చినట్టు ఏముంటుందో ప్రాబ్లం, ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటావు, ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటావు, ఇది మెజర్ చేస్తావు, ఇది మెజర్ చేస్తావు, అక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం రాదు. సో ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే, సో వైర్ ఇలా ఇచ్చి సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి, సో ఇందాక ఇచ్చినట్టు ఇలా ఇస్తే అప్పుడు నువ్వు సో ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు యూ కాంట్ సే, సో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ని కంపల్సరీ ఇలా చేస్తే కంపల్సరీ నువ్వేం చేయాలంటే ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ వైర్ ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకుని నీ పాయింట్ కి ఈ వైర్ నుంచి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ని డ్రా చేయాల్సిందే. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ని డ్రా చేయాల్సిందే. సో పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ని డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ ఎండ్ నుంచి లైన్ ని డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఎండ్ కి యాంగిల్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో తీసుకోవాలి, సెకండ్ ఎండ్ కి యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి, ఏ డైరెక్షన్, ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి ఇటు నుంచి ఇటు తిప్పాలి, అంతే, ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి యాంగిల్ మెజర్ చేయాలి బట్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్, అంటే ఇటు తిప్పాలి. అర్థమైందిరా? ఆ పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా? అది ఒకటి తెలిస్తే చాలు. అర్థమైందిరా? యా, యా, అది అరే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎప్పుడు జీరో అయిందిరా? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎప్పుడు జీరో అయింది? నీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సిడరేషన్ అలాంగ్ ది కరెంట్ క్యారింగ్ కండక్టర్ అయినా, అంటే కరెంట్ క్యారింగ్ కండక్టర్ లైన్ లోనే నీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కన్సిడరేషన్ ఉంటే ప్యారలల్ ఏదైనా, సో నీ కరెంట్ క్యారింగ్ కండక్టర్ లైన్ లోనే ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ what is that magnetic field is zero. Okay now. ఇప్పుడు so magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop, ఒక లూప్ కి magnetic field అంటే చూద్దాం. Loop. So magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop. Okay. So this is the circular current carrying loop. So magnetic field at the center. At a distance A. So I consider that one element is considered. So this element, length of the element is dl. This is direction of the current. So in which direction current is there, the same direction there is a length. dl also in the same direction. ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో కరెంట్ ఉంటుందో అదే డైరెక్షన్ లో లెంత్ ఉంటుంది. Length is same in the same direction. So here I want to find out the magnetic field. You can magnetic field find out. So this is d. So according to Biot-Savart's law, dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta. What is the angle between the element and our point of consideration? 90 degrees. Sin 90 by distance. Element ki point ki madhya distance a square. So dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. This is I dl by a square. So magnetic field due to this total current carrying loop, this element wala total loop ante B is equal to integral dB. So integral dB, integral mu naught by 4 pi I dl by a square is B. So this B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by a square integral dl. So integral dl is nothing but total length of this circle. So integral dl is equal to 2 pi a length of the circle. What is the length of the circle? 2 pi a. So this is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I by a square into 2 pi a. So this 2 pi is how many times cancelled? 2 times cancelled. This is cancelled. So B is equal to mu naught I by 2a. This is the magnetic field at the center of the circular current carrying mu naught I by 2a. Mu naught I by 2a. And చూద్దాం here. ఇప్పుడు total angle ఎంత? What is the total angle? Total angle is 360 degrees. అంటే for 360 degrees, 360 degrees అంటే 2 pi radians. For 360 degrees, 2 pi radians. So what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field B is equal to, magnetic field is B. So that B is equal to mu naught I by 2a. So unit radian, 1 radian. What is B? B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a. Mu naught I by 4 pi a. Suppose theta radian, B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a into theta. This theta must be in radian. Theta dentlo undali. Theta must be in radian. Must be in radian. So theta must be in radian. Theta radian lo undali. And suppose here this is circle is there like this. Circle in the. So now the current is coming like this here. This is angle is this one. This is the current. So what is the magnetic field due to this part? What is the magnetic field due to this part? And so B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. What is it? Mu naught I by 4 pi a into theta. ఇప్పుడు this part అంటే ఈ part కావాలి అంటే so B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a. It is 2 pi minus theta. ఈ part కది ఈ part కి 2 pi ఈ angle. This angle is 2 pi minus theta. So that must be in radian. దేంట్లో ఉండాలి మీకు రేడియన్. అదే సెమీ సర్కిల్ అనుకో, ఫర్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ theta is equal to what is it? Pi radian కదా. సెమీ సర్కిల్ అంటే theta is equal to pi radian. సెమీ సర్కిల్ అంటే లైక్ దిస్, ఇలా ఉంటుంది సెమీ సర్కిల్. So what is the angle? Angle is equal to between these two. What is the angle? Angle is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. This semicircular arc. So what is the magnetic field at the center of the semicircular arc? So this B is equal to mu naught I by 4 pi a into pi. So this pi is cancelled. B is equal to mu naught I by 4a. Mu naught I by ఏముంది ఫుల్ సర్కిల్ లో హాఫ్ ఏ కదా. ఫుల్ సర్కిల్ mu naught I by 2a. దీంట్లో హాఫ్ అంటే mu naught I by 4a. That is for semicircle. This is magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop. Okay na? Era అర్థమైందా? అదే నీకు 1/4 ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ కంటే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పు. మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇస్ 1/4 ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. సెమీ సర్కిల్ లో హాఫ్. 1/4 of this circle అంటే semicircle లో half mu naught I by 8a. Yes, mu naught I by 8a అలా. Okay, today I'm going to stop the